good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. So guys, this video has been highly requested for me to make for my unique ways to make money with Cricut video, and it was how to make wall decals. They're super easy to make, and I think that just the way that they look may make it seem a little bit more complicated. So I'm going to show you how to make designs, also how to cut them out with your Cricut, and how to place them on the wall. It's super easy to make, and I hope you enjoy this video. Just a little FYI, I'm going to be going up to a new upload schedule where I'll be uploading every Tuesday while I work on my new interior design and home decor channel that I hope you will check out, and I have it linked down below. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I use Canva to make a 12 by 12 canvas. If you're interested in signing up for Canva, I have a link down below that'll get you 30 days for free. So once I go ahead and make a canvas, then I start making my art. So if you want to just make a decal that's a simple shape, you can search what shape that you want. For this example, I did hearts, and I just found a heart that I liked the shape of, and then I just went ahead and duplicated it on the canvas by just using copy and paste. And then you can just upload this into Cricut Design Space if you wanted to just make a simple shape, or you could do it in Design Space as well, because I know they have hearts, but I prefer to do my stuff in Canva and then upload it into Design Space. So the next way that you can make decals is to look for inspiration for a pattern that you like. If you want to make a more intricate pattern, I found this on Pinterest, this anthropology kind of retro pattern that I thought was really cool, and I'd like to recreate with the vinyl. So I took a screenshot of this and uploaded it in Canva, and then I will show you how I recreate it with shapes in Canva. So I dragged my screenshot into Canva and I resized it so that it would be the size of my canvas. Now what I'm doing is just breaking down each shape so that I can recreate it in vinyl. So there's an outside diamond, there's an inside half circle, and then there's a smaller triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce the transparency on this so I can still see my pattern while I'm building it with the shapes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and find the triangle and find the half circle to recreate this on the canvas. And then I'm going to go ahead and separate it once I get the shape that I want. Repeat the shapes so that I can then cut them out on Cricut. From here, I went ahead and once I liked my shape, I separated all three shapes to be able to do a repeating pattern with them within Canva, so that I can upload it in Design Space. So just like I did with the hearts, I'm going to go ahead and just make some of these diamond shapes. I'm going to make a full page of them, and then I will go ahead and do that with the triangle and also with the half moon. Upload them into Cricut Design Space, and then I'll show you guys how I cut them and assemble the decals. So if you feel like you're not creative, there's another way that you can find shapes for your decals, and is you can purchase them off Etsy. So Etsy has all types of shapes and all types of things that you can purchase. I like these retro shapes that you can use. The rainbows are really popular for kids. So if you don't want to make them, you can always purchase shapes. These are like $3 a piece, not bad at all. And they come with so many that you'll be able to use them over and over again. Then I went ahead and just uploaded all of my shapes into Design Space. And I didn't want a transparent background, which is a great feature that Canva has. So it saved me a step, and I was just able to go ahead and save them as a cut image. And then I uploaded them on to the canvas all together. And then I was able to go ahead and cut out all the pieces. So I went here and loaded my mat. I decided to go with white, blue, and black for the more complicated decals, that the ones are going to be a 3-piece, and then I just added extra so the hearts would be cut out in the same 3 colors. No sense to waste any vinyl, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that cut, and then I'll show you guys how to assemble. Really easy to make wall decals. And also remember, if you want to focus, that to use permanent vinyl. So here I'm just weeding the decals. My math wasn't mathing because I did not line these up right. You see some of the arches are blue, half of a heart is blue. I don't know what happened with me lining up these pieces of vinyl, but it's very easy to go ahead and just remove the backing, and then I'll show you how you can assemble the 3-piece decal, and the heart decal is just ready to go once it's weeded. And just like that, 1, 2, 3, here's all the decals ready to go. And for the heart decal, I'm literally just gonna peel it with my finger and stick it right to the wall. And you can make sheets of these, sell them to customers, make them for yourself. Super easy to do, and they come out really great. So I wanted to show you guys my reference picture one more time while I get started. So for these more complicated decals, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble them on the actual backing so that the vinyl is not getting unsticky because it's sticking to, you know, whatever's on your table or whatever the case is. So I'm taking my 3 pieces and I'm layering them. First I'm doing the diamond, just like the pattern. Then I'm doing the triangle over top of it. And then I'm going to be adding the arch. Later I found out it was easier to lay down the diamond, then the arch, and then the blue the blue triangle on top. So yeah, and like I said, you see that, guys, my math wasn't mathing. Half of the arches are cut off, half of them are blue. I don't know how I did those measurements, but I'm just gonna use the ones that actually came out well. Guys, I am in love with how this came out. Look how cute this is. Imagine a whole bunch of these behind like a bed for an accent wall. Maybe you're in an apartment and you can't paint. And guys, I mean, they came out so good. The only tip that I have is, depending on if you like that look, I didn't really like it, is I wouldn't use the high gloss vinyl. I would use more of like a matte so it'll go better with paint. But outside of that, guys, look how beautiful these are. I love them, and I hope that you found this tutorial easy so you can make some decals for yourself. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video of the tutorial and how to make your wall decals. Don't forget, I don't know if I mentioned it, but don't forget to use permanent vinyl so that they stick to the walls great. It does come off. It's not extremely permanent, but it's a little bit better than the non-permanent vinyl. Also guys, if you have any questions that I get so many comments, I can't answer every single one, but if you have any questions or you want something help or you want to request a video type, check out my Facebook group. It's always linked down below. It is Black owned and handcrafted. You can be an ally and join the group as well. So just make sure that if you have any questions, that's the best way to reach me. Is a community where we all talk, we show our crafts, and just is an easier way to contact me. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see another tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next one.